Hello everyone, hearty welcome to SQA Maths YouTube channel. This is your Santosh. This is our 75th video of our channel S Square Maths YouTube channel. So let us go through our content now. Common algebraic errors. Hope you know very well that errors nothing but mistake. So algebraic errors, nothing but our algebra. It is a very important branch of mathematics. So there are various branches of mathematics. In that, algebra plays important role. In that, the common algebraic errors we are going to discuss. So this is a video meant for all the students, right from the high school to even 6th, 7th class, 5th, 6th, 7th. And even 8th, 9th, 10th, so on. So while doing the problems, we are going to commit the mistakes. So we are going to rectify now in this video. Hope this video plays important role so that below average students can rectify. Let us start now. First one, minus 5 square is not equal to 25. Here we have the heading mistake or error. So here I have been written various errors, mistakes. Okay, this side I am going to correct it. I am going to give the justification for this with some examples if possible. So let us go through it now. So minus 5 square is not equal to 25. So it is obvious, these are all obvious. Now we are going to rectify. See here, so minus 5 square is equal to here minus 5 into 5, nothing but minus 25. So here minus 5 square, it is not minus 5 whole square. So keep the minus as it is, 5 into 5 is 25. So minus 25. So let us go through it now in another way. So minus 5 whole square. When it is going to get correct, that we are going to check now. Minus 5 whole square, nothing but, since you have the bracket here, okay, so minus 5 whole square, this is in exponential form nor corresponding expanded form. So minus 5 into minus 5, minus into minus plus 5 into 5, 25. So in this way, minus 5 whole square is plus 25. Minus 5 square is nothing but minus 25. So be aware with the brackets. Here the brackets you have, here without brackets. This type of brackets are called parentheses or small brackets. So I hope that you got the better knowledge with brackets and without brackets. Okay. Now next, second one. X square whole cube is not equal to x power 5. So now let us go through the second one now. So x square whole cube. This is in the form of our exponential form. Corresponding expanded form I am going to write nothing but x square into x square into x square. Since the exponent is 3, we have been multiplied x square with itself 3 times. Now this is the form of a power m into a power n into a power p. The first law of exponent. So I can write it as a power m plus n plus p. So 2 plus 2 plus 2, nothing but x power 6. But what do you have? X power 5. Therefore x square whole cube is nothing but x power 6 but not x power 5. So don't add it here. X power 2 plus 3, nothing but 5. So therefore x square whole cube is not equal to 5. This is a justification for this. Next, move to the third one. X by y plus z is not equal to x by y plus x by z. This is a third mistake in generally many of the students are going to do. So let us go through it now. This can be rectified now if I am going to correct this one when it is possible. If x plus y by z, here the numerator we have one term x, here the denominator we have y plus z. So which is not equal to x plus y, x by y plus x by z. If this is our expression, suppose if x plus y whole divided by z, then I can split the denominator, nothing but x by z plus y by z. Here it is not possible, but here it is possible. Please see the difference. So x by y plus z is not equal to x by y plus x by z. This is possible. The RHS x by z plus y by z is possible if x plus y whole divided by z. So you can check with the examples, take the various values of x, y, z and go through it. This part and this part, or you can confirm it. Okay. So this is the correct way and this is the wrong way. Next, coming to this one, fourth one, a plus bx by a not equal to 1 plus bx. So in my experience, I gone through many of the students committing the same mistake, even the above average students. So let us go through it now. So now consider if, so now I am considering here a plus bx by a. By implementing the previous property now here, I can write here a by a plus bx by a. Okay, split the denominator now, here it is. So nothing but a1, so 1 by 1 plus, here I can write bx by a. 1 by 1 is 1, so 1 plus bx by a. So this is the wrong calculation here, wrong cancellation, and here it is the correct way of cancellation. This I got with the previous one. Next, fifth one, minus a of x minus 1 not equal to minus ax minus 1. And this also plays very important. In generally, the middle class students, 6th, 7th, 8th students in generally, if they are going to get the minus, many of those mistakes they are going to commit. So please be aware it. Now here, by the distributive property, here minus a of x minus 1 is not equal to minus ax minus 1. Here two type of mistakes have been done. Let us rectify now. So minus a of x minus 1 is equal to, by the distributive property, left with the distributive law, I can write here minus ax. So here minus of minus a, because before bracket you have minus a, multiplying each term with a minus a, I am going to get like this. So now I can write here minus ax, minus into minus plus a, this one. So what are the two mistakes here? Here before bracket you have minus, according to Bode-Most rule signs will change. So here the sign is not changed here. Okay. Next, a into 1 is a, but here it is 1. So you have to multiply a for both the terms because you have the bracket. Before bracket you have a. So two mistakes. So here the signs will change. A into 1 is a. So these are various different 5 errors so far. Especially you should be alert with 3rd, 4th, 5th. Okay. Yes, now the second part. X plus y whole square is not equal to x square plus y square here. The next part. Okay. So why they are not equal? Let us go through it. So LHS we have x plus y whole square. Nothing but we know that a plus b whole square. So for this I can write here x plus y whole square is nothing but x plus y into x plus y. Okay, a plus b whole square is called a plus b into a plus b. So here I can write here x square, x into x square plus y into y square plus x into y is xy and y into x is yx. So x square plus y square plus xy plus yx is nothing but here 2xy, because xy is equal to yx by the commutative property under multiplication. So I can write here xy plus yx is nothing but here xy plus xy 2xy. So therefore x plus y whole square, already we have directly the formula x square plus y square plus 2xy. So but what we have here, x square plus y square. Okay, so hence x plus y whole square is not equal to x square plus y square. So I can write the conclusion now. Therefore x plus y whole square is equal to, I can write x square plus y square plus 2xy. This is the right one. So students, be alert. Here this type of mistakes, again even 9th and students also will get confused with this. Now let us go through 7th. Root of x square plus y square is not equal to x plus y. Most important this one, okay. Please be aware of this. So let us consider now here x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. Okay, so therefore now I can write root of x square plus y square. X is 3, y is 4. I am going to substitute in LHS 3 square plus 4 square. So 9 plus 4 square is 16 root 25. Okay, obviously square root of 25 is 5. So this is our total LHS. Now RHS. Also now here I am going to consider x plus y. What is x? 3. What is y? 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. See the difference here. For LHS you got 5. For RHS you got 7. Therefore LHS is not equal to RHS. Okay. So root of x square plus y square is always not equal to x plus y. Okay. So be aware of these two. Okay. Most important, repeated mistakes by the students. Next, let us go through this one. 2 of x plus 1 whole square is not equal to 2x plus 2 the whole square. So to do this one, let us consider now here 2 of x plus 1 whole square. So now 2 of x plus 1 whole square, nothing but a plus b whole square. So a square plus b square plus 2ab plus 2 into x into 1. Okay. So multiplying with 2, I am going to get here 2 of x square plus 1 plus 2x. So multiplying with 2, what I am going to get here? I am going to get 2x square plus 2 plus 4x. Okay. So this is our LHS. But what is our RHS now? 2x plus 2 the whole square is our RHS. For this we are going to consider now. So here a plus b whole square. So a is 2x and b is 2 here. So 2x the whole square, a square plus 2 square, b square here, nothing but plus 2ab plus 2 into 2x into 2. So writing the direct steps now. 2x whole square, 2 square x square, 2 square is 4x square. So 4x square plus 2 square is 4 plus 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8x. So if you observe carefully here, this is our LHS part and this is our RHS part. Do you got the same? No? Okay, if one term is missing or wrong, LHS is not equal to RHS. Okay, so therefore 2 of x plus 1 whole square is not equal to 2x plus 2 the whole square. Why it is not equal? Here many of the students think that multiplying with 2, so 2x plus 2 on the 2. But don't forget, here you have the exponent. If exponent is there, that we cannot do. Okay. So next, going through 2x plus 2 the whole square not equal to 2 of x plus 1 the whole square. If you observe carefully, okay, 8th and 9th are similar here. Okay, just like similar. So what did you understood from LHS to RHS? Why they are not equal? Here 2x plus 2 whole square LHS you have, and is not equal to 2 of x plus 1 whole square. So here the reason I am going to write, we cannot factor out a constant when we have exponent. Since we have exponent here, what is our exponent? 2 is our exponent. Okay, so 2 or 3, whatever it may be. So we cannot factorize like this. The constant here, the constant is 2. So that is the reason. After expanding, if it is possible, then you can go through it. So that is the main reason. Next, we are going to consider 1 by x square plus x cube is not equal to x power minus 2 plus x power minus 3. So this one I am going to justify now here when they are equal. So I am going to consider now RHS. So RHS, what is RHS I have? RHS I have x power minus 2 plus x power minus 3. Okay, I have the formula that a power minus n is equal to 1 by a power n in laws of exponents. So x power minus 2, nothing but here it is 1 by x square, applying this one, and here it is 1 by x cube. So by applying the formula, the laws of exponents here, okay, so this is possible. So which is not equal to our LHS. So what is LHS I have here? It is not equal to our 1 by x square plus x cube. Okay, this is our LHS. So not equal to our LHS. Since RHS not equal to LHS, or LHS not equal to RHS, whatever it may be, hence 1 by x square plus x cube is not equal to x power minus 2 plus x power minus 3. Okay, so these two resemble same here. So be aware, we cannot factor out a constant when you have the exponent. And here, after expanding, you have to multiply with 2. Okay, this LHS is different. Again, this directly you can apply the a plus b whole square. So next, finally, applying the laws of exponent, LHS is not equal to RHS. So these are the various errors probably the students regularly they are going to commit in the various examinations or whatever they are writing the competitive examinations, even while doing their homeworks or assignments, etc. So be aware with the formulas, basics, fundamentals, not only average, below average students, sometimes the above average students and the clever students, the gifted children also will be benefited with this video. So once you have the look. So viewers, this is my 75th video. Okay, common algebraic errors. So far I have gone through various different videos of our S Square Maths YouTube channel. Okay, with various concepts, formulas, definitions, problems right from 6th to intermediate standard, and also for various competitive examinations which you are going to face in the career after your studies, number series or quantity aptitude, MSET, IIT JEE mains, and even in Polyset or 9th 10th standard, etc. whatever it may be, different, difficult, some of the problems with various different methods. So each and every video has its important role in the examinations and conceptual way also. I hope you like the video here, 75th video, with the errors and the rectification here I have been justified with example or I have been corrected. Okay, so after watching the video, those who did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it so that you can motivate me in this way. Like, share and comment our S Square Maths YouTube channel. Thank you.